Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. Today I am welcome you in Java program, and today I will tell you how you make the output restricted DQ in Java in very easily. And I am checking on the my notice board someone very strange someone very difficult to how to make the output restricted DQ Java in the GUI mode, and this is very difficult to make them because no one no one program has made in the program in DQ, and no one found it in the GUI mode. When I search in the YouTube and Google, so here I am not found the code and the source code. Then finally I made this code, and today I will share this code for you, and I know you will like it. Now we will start it. This code I will make it in the Java NetBean 8.2, and here I make it, and I tell you how you download this software. You can easily just go on the Google and type the netbean.org. This is the official website, and here you can access in the NetBean 8.2, and you download here. And you have also type of 62-bit and 32-bit. You can easily find it, and you can easily access them, and then I will tell you in the next video and briefly and explain. So let's I just tell you how I made it. This is a Java NetBean, and here I made this code in the JFrame, and this is firstly I made firstly I put in here panel, and then these things are the JText plane, and this is JText, and you usually access here. Here I'm using the text pane and text field, label and button, but totally these things I'm using and not more. And the panel where I'm using for the background, and otherwise this is only for design. So this is a output restricted dequeued view. Let's I will tell you how to I'm doing background programming. So firstly I'm using here the text field where I'm enter the number, and then I ask the user where you want to actually want to enter button. Let's I just show you how they work it. Loading. If you have any query, then just you contact me and you just message me, and then I will tell you. I don't know where is the problem. Yeah, you see it like a simple this is just a simple text field. Just you enter 45, and then I'm ask the user where you want to enter left side to right side. Then I enter where the left side, and then we again saying where you enter. Then I'm saying the right side, and here come to right side enter. Firstly I tell you now here is a compulsory to saying you. Firstly, you know that what is output restricted DQ. The output restricted DQ mean is basically you just insert the number into two-sided, and just you delete delete your number in only one side. This is your desire. This is your desire and want where you want to delete. You can delete on left side and right side. This is totally depend on you where you want to delete. But originally this is a delete we on the left side because it's rules you can delete only left side, but this is only depend upon you according where you want to delete left or right. Now this is a simple thing. Now that I left side let I'm delete this delete on, you can see this as the 45 is delete on left side, then we enter again left side. Like you see that this is the output restrict DQ. This is not a circular. If this is circular, then I enter the left side, and they enter on the left side on the index 9, but they not enter because this is a DQ and they are not connected on both sides. Then they show me the message the all slot are full on left side. Okay. If you want to insert on the right side, then you insert, and this one you insert and you see, and the output is to reduce basically the concept is that you show that the vert is a front and vert is a rear. This time you see there's a front is 49 and rear is 45 is just a mistakenly. And then I will show you my background programming, then I will tell you where is the problem occur. And because in the song you see these in the bottom there's a red message is blinking because something is going wrong. Okay, and when you click delete all, then the all messages go. Now let's back and telling you how I am doing programming. Backend, this is just a text field. The I name in this name set is a value, variable name is value, and it's a button. Now we can this a text pane. This name is, you see this b1 and so on. This is b1, b2, b3, b4, b5, b6, b7, b8, b9, b10. The 10 boxes, and it's a b11, b12. C front and C rear. Okay, now let's we started how this is a rear left side. So you can see this is this left side according string. Firstly you declare this is the message just at the end. I'm display when my R slots are full. Then is the next integer I, and because we get the value from the user in the text field, here we use the integer dot phase int and the value dot get text. This means is the value we need value get text mean that you get the value from the user, and here we initialize the value, and the next data type next you just initialize the value, and where we just initialize the value where I save the value of values. Here I initialize the value for values. This if we have 45, then he get the 45. That's simply I check the b1 that guessed if b1 is blank null, you just check it, and otherwise you come inside. This is a condition. If we insert the left side, you just check it now where what is value, what side what box is actually blank or not. If they are blank, then you enter the value, otherwise you are not enter the value. Then all slots are full, you just show the message, then all slots are full. Okay, then here just is this one is only conditions. This one is only condition whether they check the box is null or not, and here we just initialize the value. If box is blank, then the here value is initialized, otherwise else. Okay, at the end they show the message. The same things we do in the right side, just we do is just we change the change the condition only. Here we start now the b1, b2, b3, b4, and the right side we are using just change the b10, b9, b9, b8, b7, only just we change the side. In the left side we using the b1, b10, b2, b3 if conditions we started, and the right side we are totally opposite, we started now b10, b9, and whether they are only whether they are same, the code is same, no you can do. And here is a b11. I will tell you in next part why we are using the b11 and b12. And this is a simple code for the delete action. If you want to delete from left side, you just start for b10, b9, b8, b7, then you delete it. It's a simple code, you just see this. And if you want to delete all, then you just simply do like this thing I tell you. Yeah, this is just a delete all function. b1 null, b2 you just all boxes to initialize the null and insert the text null. So this is a simple program of the output restricted dequeue, because no one make the code in the no one make the code I think maybe someone make this code and do job on this code, but I'm not fetch the code in the Google and YouTube, but I found the some source code, but this is extreme programming that I will never understand what it do. So this is a very simple programming. You can see this a simple coding, just we using the if else, and just only we use the get text and set text. I get set text for value initializing, and get text for you get the value from the user. So this is very simple code, and I hope you will like it. So please subscribe my channel, and press the bell button for new videos when I'm uploading. Then you know that what I'm uploading. So please subscribe my channel, and I know my English are not good, but please, I think you will understand what I'm talking now. So we will meet in new video. Allah Hafiz.